Hey all, in this video we are going to learn about how to find the slope in linear regression. Before that, let's find out what is a slope. The slope of a line refers to its direction and steepness. And there are four types of slope: positive, negative, zero and undefined. Okay, now let's see how to find the slope. If there are only 2 points, we can easily calculate as the change in y divided by change in x. For example, let's take x1 y1 equals 1, 4 and x2 y2 equals 5, 80. We can easily calculate the slope by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 19. Let's take another example. However studied x marks obtained y. In this example, there are many points. To calculate the slope for this example, we use a formula as n into summation of xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n into summation of x square minus summation of x the whole square. There are lots of summations, but don't worry, it just means sum of, such as sum of x symbolized by summation x, which is just the sum of the x column. However studied, we need to calculate summation of x, y, xy and x square. In this table, x, y is hours into marks, x square, y square is just the square of the hours studied and the marks obtained. The summation x, summation y, those are all the sum of the all values obtained, that is the total. Now it is a simple matter to plug our sigma values into the equation of m. N is the number of values in the dataset. In our case, there are 8 values, so it will be 8. Now, let's substitute the values in our equation. Before that, forgot to mention that subscribe to my channel, which is actually free of cost, or at least hit the like button so that it gets recommended to others. Okay, now when we substitute the values in our equation, we get the slope as 5.4. This means that our line y-axis increased by 5.4 percentage points for every 1 hour that a student studies. Hope you got a clear idea about how to find the slope. If this video gets 100 likes and above, I can make a specific video on how to find the intercept. Thank you.